Hey everybody, it's your girl Yako, and in today's video I'll be showing you how I installed my spring twist that I have going on right here. This is a new type of style for me and I've never had this look before, but I kind of love it. They're very beautiful, very different, and it is very similar to kinky twist, but the hair is different. I think kinky twist is used with Marley hair or Cuban twist hair or something like that, but this is actually spring twist hair. And this is the hair that I use right here. This is the packet, and this hair is made by Beyond Beauty and it's actually called spring hair, and I got the color T1B/30. So the ends of the hair is kind of that light brown 30 color, and the top part is kind of ombre. The top part is black. But yeah, this is the hair that I use. I got this hair on Amazon, and I'll put the link below to where I got it. It came in a set of 3 bundles, and 3 bundles was about $24, and I only used 2 packs of hair. And I thought I was going to need 3, but no, I actually used 2 packs. So I'll just save this pack for some other time because I'm definitely going to do this style again. But I'm going to take it out the pack for you. It has a hairnet over it, but basically this is what the hair looks like. It's that springy, boingy looking hair. And let me give you another closer look. This is one strand of the hair. And because I wanted mine to be longer, I didn't cut the hair in half. Some people cut it in half so that they could have a shorter spring twist that goes probably right below their ear. But I wanted, since I already have long hair, I wanted my spring twist to be long as well. You'll also need, I used some gel for the ends of my hair just to seal it in. While I was twisting it, I just put a little gel on the end so that I can twirl it and kind of seal the hair a little bit. You're also going to need several hair clips while you're doing this style so you can separate your hair. You're going to want to separate it into 4 sections so they can make it a little easier for you to kind of get it done, because this style takes a long time to complete. It took me about 7 hours. I know that sounds like a long time, but it took a long time for me, and probably because first of all, I was doing it myself, and then secondly, I did it long. I'm sure if you did the shorter version of the style, it would probably take maybe 2 hours less, maybe. But I actually did the back section one day, and then the next day I did the front section. So I didn't just go 7 hours straight, you know what I mean? So yeah, you'll also need your comb and brush and things like that for while you're styling your hair. And you may need a pair of scissors because at the ends of the hair you may have a couple of loose strings or whatever, and you may just want to clip those, or if you just want to cut the hair in half. But yeah, I think that's it. So let's get started. So I have finished installing almost all of the hair except this one little section right here. And this is going to be about 4 more twists, spring twists, that I'm going to put in right there. And this is the hair out of the package. It's this springy, boingy looking hair. What you're going to do is take this hair here, and you're going to just stretch it a little bit and pull on it. Just pull it like that until you see it to loosen up. And if you don't do this process, then it's going to be a little bit harder to separate the hair into half, and you're going to end up getting the hair tangled and basically wasting the hair, which is wasting your money basically. So you're just going to pull it until you see it loosen up like this. It's going to start separating a little bit. So once you see that, this one piece is going to be split into half. So I'm just going to split this into half in the middle like this. split that like that. And then you have these two pieces that you're going to work with. So my hair is, after I washed my hair, I stretched it out or blowed it out just to make the process a little bit easier as far as installing the hair. And I'm going to go ahead and show you one section here. So I'm just going to take a small little square. Let me make that a little smaller so I can try to get more braids there. Now I'm going to use a clip to clip this hair back. Alright, so we have this one little section here. You're going to get your hair in the middle, split this in two. So you're going to twist the hair in. You do have the option to braid the hair in if you're pretty good at braiding, but I found it easier, and it kind of looks more natural when you twist it in. It looks like it's coming from your root instead of braiding in. But you know, you always have the option to do whatever you're comfortable with. So you're just going to put this middle piece right in the middle section in between your two parts. Okay, you're just going to start twisting. You're going to twist to one side, so I'm twisting over to my right side. See, that part's twisted, and then you're going to twist the other section to the right. Kind of like hold and twist if you can. Okay, I have my two twisted pieces here, and then I'm going to start to twist these two together to the left. Just to the opposite side.